So a client came to us, they owed close to $300,000, and we were either going to do an offer in compromise or a partial pay agreement. And after reviewing the transcripts, I realized that actually their largest tax debt was from an SFR, meaning the IRS filed a tax return, not them. And I realized that this year that what they owed was like triple what they owed in all the other years. So there's a good chance it's not correct. I spoke to the taxpayer and they said, yeah, they were told though that because it was past 3 years that they couldn't file or amend the return. When the IRS files an SFR, you don't amend the return. You just file a return, and you can file it years later. There's no 3-year limit to filing the return. So for example, this was for 2014 and it was filed by the IRS in 2019, and we submitted the actual correct return, which saved them over $100,000, and with penalties and interest because it was from 2014. This was, hugely significant. So now we don't need to do an offer in compromise. We're going to do just a partial pay for the remaining balances. But it's really important to realize to deal with your SFRs correctly. So in this case, once you submit it, it takes the IRS a long time to process it. It goes to a separate place, not where you file a regular return. So we had to get taxpayer advocate involved, as we normally do, to get it processed.